Find or read reviews that people are talking about PowerSmart 20V Robot Lawn Mower. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Automatic Robot Lawn Mower. PowerSmart Robotic Mower covers up to 1/4 acre Oregon, 10890 square feet of grass with ease. Just place the charging station, bury the boundary wire around the perimeter of your yard. Install the guide wire, choose your settings, and start mowing. Convenient app control. You can control scheduling, adjust settings, and start and stop your automatic lawn mower from your smartphone. Intelligent charging and rain sensor. With smart charging and rain detection, it ensures continuous operation and hassle-free maintenance. The lawnmower robot intelligently charges itself, returning to the dock when low on power and resuming mowing when fully charged. It also detects rain, pausing mowing until the weather clears up. This ensures efficient lawn care around the clock. Quiet and eco-friendly operation. Say goodbye to noisy gas-powered mowers. Our robot mower operates quietly, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space without disturbance. Upgrade your lawn care routine with the PowerSmart 20V Robot Lawn Mower and enjoy a greener, smarter way to maintain your outdoor space. Say goodbye to tedious mowing and hello to effortless lawn care with PowerSmart. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.